Hello, everybody. Brandon Weeks here with my week 15 um, video. Everyone has been putting up current event videos and that sort of thing, but the assignment says to do one about the term paper, so I'm going to uh, have this video about my term paper. I'm not sure if that's what we're supposed to do or not, but that's what the assignment says, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, uh, my term paper is on mental health in the fire service and mental health in general, and it's kind of relevancy to my department, which is relevant in the same way to everyone else's department, in the fact that we go through a lot in the fire service and in the EMS field, so there's a lot that our minds have to process, and sometimes it's not as easy as someone would think. We go through a lot and have to process a lot, and it can lead to mental breakdowns, it can lead to depression, it can lead to very stressful lives, and it can also, as everyone knows, lead to PTSD. Um, all this stuff is very serious in general, but especially in the fire service, where we do see a lot of traumatic incidents involving, the deaths of children and unfortunately suicides and all sorts of very traumatic events that can take a toll on our mental health. So my paper is kind of aimed at addressing um, addressing what these are, um, some signs that you have them, but you don't think you have them, if that makes sense. There's an article I read where it gave you 21 sneaky signs you're stressed, even if you don't think so, even if you don't believe you're stressed, which is what I'm trying to get at. Furthermore, it'll go into how we as firefighters kind of have that we give help, we don't need help kind of mentality, and it addresses the fact that we need to let people help. I want to talk about how the first step to letting people help is acknowledging that we need help. We need to help ourselves get the help we need. Um, that's pretty much what I got going on for my term paper. That's how I have it set up, and that's how I plan to execute it. I'm finishing it up now. I personally think it's coming together pretty well, and I'm excited to see how everyone else is doing on theirs, and I'm excited to be reading a few. Sorry, I had a smudge on my screen there. But yeah, that's all I got today. I hope everyone has a good one. Almost done. Looking forward to finishing up class. Not that I don't like it or anything, but you know how it is. You're always excited when class is coming to an end. So thank you guys. Have a good one.